Hello dear students, welcome back to Science Wise. Today in this video we are going to study all the question and answers of class 6 Science chapter number 10, that is measurement of distance and motion. In this we are going to solve all the exercise question and answers. So first question is very short answer question. Answer in one word. Question number 1. What is the SI unit of length? बच्चे, in this question they are asking about the SI unit of length. We know that the SI unit of length is meter and denoted by m. Question number 2. Name two common device used for measuring length. हमको दो ऐसे कॉमन डिवाइस बताने हैं जिसको हम यूज करते हैं किसके लिए बच्चे? मेजरिंग लेंथ. इट इज रूलर एंड मेजरिंग टेप. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. व्हाट इज द स्टेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट विच चेंजेस इट्स पोजीशन विथ टाइम? इज कॉल्ड. हमें ऐसी स्टेट बतानी है ऑब्जेक्ट की जब वो अपनी पोजीशन चेंज करता है टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग. तो ऐसी स्टेट को हम क्या बोलते हैं बच्चे? स्टेट ऑफ मोशन. दिस स्टेट इज नोन एज स्टेट ऑफ मोशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. व्हाट आर द स्मॉल एंड रैपिड ऑसिलेशंस कॉल्ड? स्मॉल एंड रैपिड ऑसिलेशंस, they are vibrations. Question number 5. Are all the passengers sitting in a compartment of a running train at rest or in motion with respect to each other? They are said to be in rest. In question they are asking you that all the passengers sitting in a compartment of a train, of a running train, are in motion or are at the rest. You have to tell this. So all the passengers are in the position of rest. Moving to the next segment of questions, that is B, short answer questions. Answer in 10 to 15 words. Question number 1. What does each measurement consist of? So answer is, each measurement consists of a number describing the numerical value of measure. It means the numerical value of the measure is compulsory there. Then second, the unit in which the quantity is measured. यूनिट जिसमें हमने क्वांटिटी को मेजर किया है. जैसे अगर लेंथ है तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं बच्चे? मीटर. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. On what factor does the choice of measuring device depend? ऐसे कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं जिसमें हमारी मेजरिंग की चॉइस डिपेंड करती है? आंसर इज, द चॉइस ऑफ मेजरिंग डिवाइस डिपेंड ऑन द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स. फर्स्ट, द साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट टू बी मेजर्ड. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या है? साइज, कि वो किस साइज का है जिस ऑब्जेक्ट को हमको मेजर करना है. सेकेंड इज द शेप ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट टू बी मेजर्ड. उस ऑब्जेक्ट का शेप कैसा है जिसको हमको मेजर करना है. थर्ड, द डिग्री ऑफ एक्यूरेसी रिक्वायर्ड. डिग्री ऑफ एक्यूरेसी इज also required, means the measure should be accurate. Question number 3. What is meant by rolling motion? The motion in which a body undergoes translatory as well as rotatory motion is known as rolling motion. Question number 4. Name the 3 types of translatory motion. Give one example of each type. You have to name the 3 types of translatory motion. So answer is, translatory motion is of 3 types. First, linear motion or rectilinear motion. Second, curvilinear motion. Third, random motion. Now examples. The motion of a car along a straight line or motion of a stone dropped from height is the example of linear motion. Second, the motion of a car along a curved path is an example of curvilinear motion. It means when the motion of a car is in a straight line, it means it is a linear motion. When the motion of the car is on circular path, it is known as curvilinear motion. Third, the motion of an ant or a fly is an example of random motion. आपने एंट का मोशन देखा है? कभी वो इधर जाती है, कभी उधर जाती है, कभी इधर जाती है, ऐसे. ये मोशन किस टाइप का मोशन है बच्चे? इट इज रैंडम मोशन. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Define random motion. Give one example. Answer. The translatory motion of a body which keeps on changing its direction in a disorderly manner is called random motion. For example, the motion of a football player or hockey player on a ground is an example of random motion. Question C, that is long answer type question. Answer in 20 to 25 words. Question number 1. Why do we need standard unit for measurement? Why do we need the standard unit of measurement? They are asking what is the need of the SI unit, means standard unit. So answer is need of standard unit. A standard unit of measurement is needed for the sake of uniformity. है ना, यूनिफॉर्मेलिटी के लिए, मतलब सब जगह एक समान यूनिट चले, इसलिए हमने स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट को लेके आए थे. ठीक है. The unit that can be used everywhere uniformly as a basic unit of measurement is called SI unit. For example, the standard unit of length is meter and time is second. Okay, second question. Mention the precautions to be observed while measuring the length of a pencil using a ruler. You have to write the precautions of measuring the length of a pencil using ruler. The answer is first the heading precaution. Point 1. The scale should be placed along the length to be measured. The scale should be placed very close to the object to be measured. Second point, keep your eye in line with the point of measurement. If the eye is not in a line with the point of measurement, the measured length will be either short, either long than the accurate length. Third point, do not start measurement from anywhere or damage end of the scale. It means you don't have to measure the length of the pencil from the damaged end of the length. If zero end of the scale is damaged, start the measurement from some other mark of the scale. Then the accurate length of the object is equal to the difference between the reading of the 2 points. Question number 3, it is very important question also and the interesting one also. Actually, it is the numerical question. Hope you will enjoy this. Question is, while measuring the length of a metallic rod, the reading of the scale at one end is 8.0. ठीक है, रीडिंग ऑफ द स्केल एट वन एंड इज 8.0. रिमेंबर दिस, सेंटीमीटर्स, एंड एट द अदर एंड इज, remember this point also, at the other end it is 33.7 centimeter. You have to calculate what is the length of the rod, what is the length of the metallic rod. We know that reading of a scale at one end is 8.0 centimeters. Reading of the scale at other end is 33.7 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the length of the metallic rod. We know that there is the difference from 0 point. This length is not measured from the 0 point. So what we will do? We'll subtract both the measurements, right? Both the measurements, that is the reading of the scale on the other end and the reading of the scale on the one end. Okay? So we'll subtract it, means 33.7 centimeters minus 8.0 centimeter is equal to 25.7 centimeter. So here we come to know about the length of the metallic rod is 25.7 centimeters. Question was very interesting. Hope so you have understood it. Question number 4. Name the type of motion excluding by a rolling body. Give one example of rolling motion. A rolling body executes both translatory as well as rotatory motion. है ना, रोलिंग बॉडी ट्रांसलेटरी मोशन भी शो करती है और रोटेटरी मोशन भी शो करती है. The motion of a bicycle wheel or motion of a cylinder on an inclined plane are the example of rolling motion. Question number 5. Define circular motion. Give one example also. Answer. Motion of a body along a circular path is called circular motion. किसी बॉडी का मूवमेंट किसी सर्कुलर पाथ पे, दैट इज नोन एज द सर्कुलर मोशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्रिलिंग ऑफ अ स्टोन टाइड टू अ स्ट्रिंग is an example of a circular motion. Suppose this is a stone, it is tied with a with a string, और इसका जो मोशन है वो कैसा है? सर्कुलर मोशन. Now question number D. Tick the odd one out and give the reason. In question number 1, aeroplane, bus, railway train, ship, bull cart. You have to tick the odd one out. Here the odd one out is bull cart. Why it is odd one out? You have to give the reason also. So, reason is other are fast mode of transport. Aeroplane is also the fastest mode of transport. Bus is the fast mode of transport. Railway train and ship is also the fast mode of transport. Also, they are mechanical and use of technology, use of advanced technology is also done in these vehicles, but bullock cart is not the fastest mode of transport. That is why it is odd. Second, meter, kilometer, yard and centimeter. Yard is the odd one out because other are bigger or smaller units in term of meter. है ना, ये सारी मीटर की बड़ी और छोटी यूनिट है, लेकिन यार्ड नहीं है. थर्ड इज हैंड स्पैन, palm, foot, cubit. Foot is odd one out. Why? Other are the measurement of hand. Hand span is the measurement of hand. Palm is the measurement of hand. Cubit is the measurement of hand. But foot is the measurement of your feet and leg. So it is the odd one out. Fourth, motion of a stone dropped from certain height, motion of a fly, motion of bullet fired from gun, motion of a car on a straight line. Here the odd one out is motion of a fly because it is the random motion. Motion of a fly is a random motion while the other motions are rectilinear motion. Fifth question. Motion of moon around the earth, motion of the earth around the sun, motion of merry-go-round, heartbeat in a healthy person. So all these motions are the example of you only tell. Think and tell. I'll tell you the odd one out. Motion of merry-go-round is a periodic motion. Okay, motion of heartbeat of a healthy person is a periodic motion. So heartbeat of a healthy person is an odd one out. You have to circle this. Okay. Moving to the E question, that is define the following terms. First is position of rest. Answer: the object which do not change their position with time to their surrounding are said to be at rest. Second, curvilinear motion. The movement of a body along a curved path is called curvilinear motion. Third, standard unit of measurement. The standard unit of measurement, you have to define the standard unit. The unit that could not be used everywhere as the basic unit of measurement is called the standard unit of measurement. Fourth, periodic motion. You have to define periodic motion. The motion which repeats itself at regular interval of time is called periodic motion. Fifth, vibratory motion. Vibratory motion is small and rapid to and fro movement of a body or a part of it from its mean position is called vibratory motion. Next is high order thinking skills, that is think and answer. First, a body moves as a whole. All the part of the body moves through the same distance. What type of motion is this? Answer is, this is a translatory motion. Question number 2. A turning screw undergoes two kinds of motion at the same time. Identify the two kinds of motion. A turning of a screw undergoes a circular motion. एक तो circular motion हो गया. Second is linear motion in forward direction along with it. The answer is turning of screw undergoes a circular motion and a linear motion in forward direction along with it. Question number 3. A student has to measure the length of his pencil. The zero mark on the scale is not clearly visible. How should he use the scale to get the correct length of the pencil? The student can measure the length from 1 centimeter mark in the scale and add 1 later to his measurement. This will give him the correct length of the pencil. Quick assignment. A. Multiple choice type question. Take the correct answer. Question number 1. Which of the following exhibit translatory motion? Which of the following exhibit translatory motion? Correct answer is D. Rolling motion. SI unit of length. You have to tell the SI unit of length. The correct answer is meter. Length is measured in meter in SI unit. Question number 3. 1 kilometer is equal to dash millimeter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1 million millimeter. Correct answer is D. Question number 4. What kind of motion is executed by a swinging pendulum? Answer is C. Periodic motion. Periodic motion is executed by swinging pendulum. 5. Which of the following is a combination of rectilinear and rotatory motion? Spinning ball in cricket. Spinning ball in cricket. Answer A is the correct. Write one word of the following. First, comparing an unknown quantity with some known fixed quantity of the same kind is known as measurement. The answer is measurement. Second, the basic unit of measurement is standard unit. Third, the motion of body along a straight line is a linear motion. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का मोशन एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में उसे बोलते हैं linear motion. Question number 4. The motion which repeats itself at regular interval is known as periodic motion. Fifth, small and rapid through and fro movement of a body is vibratory motion. Question number C. Match the column. Hand span. Hand span is used to measure length. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Second, moving of a car on a straight road. Car moving on a straight road is linear motion. Fourth, motion of a spinning top. It is a rotational motion. 5. Moving needle of a swing machine. It is a periodic motion. Chapter based practice paper. Multiple choice question. In which of the following there is no change in direction of movement of body? Option B is the correct answer, rectilinear motion. In rectilinear motion, there is no change in the direction of movement of a body. Second, which of the following is not a periodic motion? Which of the following is not a periodic motion? Correct answer is C, beating of a drum. Question B, fill in the blank type question. A dash is used for measuring the waistline of a person, a measuring tape. Second, the SI unit of length is meter. Third, the length of a curved line can be measured by using a thread and a scale. Fourth, a plucking string of a sitar execute dash motion, vibratory motion, because vibrations produce sound. 5. A body undergoes both translatory and rotatory motion is said to be in rolling. Question number C. True or false type question. First, each measurement consists of a number and a unit. It is true. You can write T. The SI unit of distance is kilometer. This is wrong. The SI unit of distance is meter. So this is false. Question number third. The objects which do not change their position with time are said to be at rest. Yes, this is true. So you can write T. Fourth, the motion of a fly is an example of curvilinear motion. No, It is the example of random motion. So fourth is false. Fifth, the motion of spinning top is a rotational motion. Yes, it is true. D. Puzzle and quiz. Complete the crossword puzzle with the help of the clue. Across means you have to solve the puzzle from left to right. This is across. Down means you have to solve the puzzle from top to bottom. ठीक है? Motion of a stone tied with a string is and revolving. ये कौन सा मोशन हो गया आपका? सर्कुलर मोशन. ठीक है, तो वहां पे आपको क्या लिखना है बच्चे? सर्कुलर मोशन. सेकेंड, मोशन ऑफ अ फुटबॉल ड्यूरिंग द गेम. फुटबॉल का मोशन गेम के टाइम पे कैसा है? इट इज द रैंडम मोशन, है ना? इट इज रैंडम मोशन. थर्ड, मूवमेंट ऑफ अ ड्रिल. ड्रिल का मूवमेंट कैसा होता है? इट इज द रोलिंग मूवमेंट, है ना? रोलिंग मोशन शो करता है. So you will fill there rolling. Then we'll solve down. Fourth, measuring device used for measuring the length of a curved line is? It is divider. Divider. Small and rapid to and fro motion is known as vibratory motions. ये vibratory motion. Sixth, property which repeats itself at regular interval is known as periodic motion. It is known as periodic motion. Hope so you have enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you.